Hadley, what's one of our favorite things to do during the holidays?
Spending time with people we love.
I love you.
And I love you too.
We love spending time with our families and with the people that we love. And what's one of the favorite things that we love doing together?
Art.
Yeah. So we thought it would be fun to help YouTube Kids app celebrate together time by doing an art project. And what are we going to do in this lesson?
A puppy surprise.
When it's folded up, it's going to be a present. And then when you unfold it, what's inside?
There's gonna be a puppy inside.
It's the puppy surprise. What do our art friends need for this lesson?
Something to draw with, but we are using markers.
Yes.
Some paper and something to color with.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
The first thing we're gonna do is take the top edge of our paper and fold it down to the bottom edge. Line it up and then crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. And then out to the corners. All right, now we're gonna take the top flap and fold that one back up to the top. Line it up, down the middle, and out to the edges. There you go. Next, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna repeat that same step. Fold the flap back up to the top and crease it down to the corners. All right, we did it. Now we're gonna unfold that last one. You can flatten it out and then flip it back over. Now we have red scratch paper that we're gonna put underneath. You can use whatever scratch paper you have. We're just using red so it's easier to see our drawing paper. We're first gonna draw the present. We're gonna draw half of the present above the fold and the other half below. So we'll start here. I'm gonna draw a line that comes down, and we can come down kind of far if we want, so that you have part of the line above the fold and the other part below.
Right here?
Yeah, that's a good spot. Good. Now we're going to come over here on the other side and we're going to draw the same line over here, same length, and we'll come down so that they match on both sides. Yeah, now let's connect the top two lines and we'll connect the bottom of the two lines. Now we're going to draw the lid on our present. We want to make sure that when we draw this line, it's above the fold. So we want to make sure that we're not drawing below because we're going to do something different on the bottom of the present. So that's the lid. When we open it up, see that line is up here at the top. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Now we're going to draw hands hanging onto the present lid. We're first going to draw two lines that come down from the top of our paper. And we don't want to draw them all the way down. We want to leave some space. Yes. And then we're going to draw a little bumpy line for, this could be Santa's hands, they could be elf hands, or they could just be a kid
Opening the present.
yeah, with a warm coat on. Now let's draw the hands. We're going to draw a curve that comes out, down, and then connects to the side of the lid. Now let's draw the other side of the hand over here. Now we could also draw the thumb. I'm going to start here on the top of the lid. I'm going to draw a C shape and then come in a little further. Looks like a sideways U. Yeah, there you go. Let's repeat those same steps on the other side. We'll first draw the two lines that come down for the arms. Then we're going to draw the fluffy part of the coat.
Or whatever you want it to be.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw the top of the hand. It's going to come over, down, and then connect to the lid. Like your little arm. Then we're going to draw the back of the hand. And then we can also draw the thumb, little sideways U shape. All right, cool. I especially love your drawing, Hadley. It's okay that our two drawings look a little different, right?
Yes.
It's okay if their drawings look different too, because the most important thing is
to have fun.
have fun and to
Practice.
practice. All right, let's draw more details on our present.
Okay.
Next, let's draw the ribbon that comes down and wraps our present. So we're gonna draw a big ribbon that's going around our present. Draw two lines. Yeah. And then let's also draw a big bow. I'm gonna draw the knot on the bow. So we'll draw an upside down U. Then we can draw. You have more space on yours, so you'll probably have room for the whole bow. I'm going to use a little overlapping. So I'm going to draw a line that comes out, connects to the arm. You could actually draw that line coming down now. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. I don't have very much room, so I'll just connect to the arm, and then you could draw a line down. All right, now let's draw the little wrinkle inside of the bow. We'll draw a sideways U shape on both sides. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our present, but let's open it up. We still have more to draw on the inside.
The puppy.
Yeah, the puppy. So we can flatten it out. Now we have a fold up here at the top and a fold down at the bottom.
And a fold in the middle.
And the fold in the middle. Now the one at the top and the bottom, we want to make sure that we draw everything in between these folds so that when we fold it back up, it's all hidden. And then when we open it, it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start down at the bottom. We're going to extend the present up a little higher on each side. Yeah. Now we're first going to draw our puppy's hands or paws that are coming over the edge of the box. And we're going to draw a line right here in the middle first. And I've lined it up with the edges, so these little corners, we can just draw a little line right here. Okay, now let's draw the puppy paws. We're going to draw one U shape right here, and you can draw them pretty big since puppies have big paws, don't they?
Yes.
There you go, and then one on the other side. Now we're going to imagine the edge of the present going underneath the paws and connecting to the corner. And we'll do the same over here. Imagine it going under the paw and connecting over here. Then let's finish drawing the ribbon up and also on the other side. All right, now let's draw the top of the puppy's paws. We'll draw a curve that comes up, over, and then back down. And same thing over here. Up, over, and back down.
It makes it look 3D.
It does. It looks like he's got his arms hanging over the edge. Let's draw two little curves for the paws on each side. Now, you ready for the best part?
The puppy face.
Yeah, the puppy face. Let's first draw the nose. I'm going to draw a little V shape right here.
In the middle of the paws?
Yeah, in between the paws and up above. This is for the nose. There you go. And then we'll connect the top. Then let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw a U shape over here and another U shape over here. Looks like a curved W. Okay, should we draw a tongue?
Yes.
Okay, we'll draw a big U shape for the tongue sticking out. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to draw a big circle for one eye and another circle over here for the other eye. Same size on both sides. Okay, now let's draw a smaller circle inside for the highlight to make the eyes look shiny. Yeah.
Aww.
Oh, so cute. Now we can color in the big circle, but leave the little circles white. I love that you added little eyelashes. Now let's draw the face. We're going to start over here on the tongue, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes out and up. And I'll do the same thing over here on the other side. Out and up. Well, it's going to be a cute puppy. Now let's draw the ears. We'll start right here, and I'm going to draw a big curve that comes out, up, and then right here at the top, I'm going to draw another line that comes down. Is that tricky? You could just draw a U shape first, and then draw the top of the ear. U, back up, and then down. Yeah. Then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. We'll draw the U shape, up, and then back down. Good job, Hadley. Now let's draw the top of our puppy's head. I'm going to draw a curve that comes over, and then maybe right here, I'm going to draw two little U shapes, upside down U shapes, and then connect it over. So she has a little hair in the top of her head sticking up. Yeah, oh, lots of it. That's so cute. Okay, what should we draw next? Maybe something on her neck?
Yes, a collar.
A collar. Okay, I'm going to draw a U shape underneath her tongue. Then we can draw a little circle that's connected to that U shape. And then let's draw her body. I'm going to draw a little line down over here and another diagonal over here. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Hadley, I think we did it.
No.
What?
A tail.
Oh, we need to draw a tail.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to draw a little curve that comes up like this and then back around and connect. Oh, oh so cute. Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our puppy Surprise. She looks really cute, except she's going to look even cuter once we do what?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but at the end you guys can pause the video if you wanna match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, give me 5. You did awesome on coloring your drawing. It looks so cute. Except we need to show our friends what's inside.
Yeah. 3,
2, 1.
1.
Your little puppy looks so cute all colored in. Now our friends can pause the video right now to match the same coloring. You guys could also use your own creativity and change the colors and color any way you want.
Yeah, like a patch on his eye.
Oh, that would be really cute.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your puppy Surprise.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we hope you have fun changing this drawing. We also hope that you had a lot of fun doing this lesson with people that you love
Yeah.
during the holidays. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!